Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? I hope that you all would be fine. Today in this video I am going to show you an amazing trick of Microsoft Excel, and if you like this video, then please share it to your friends and keep watching this video from start to the end so that you can get the idea about how I completed this trick. So it is an amazing task, and suppose you have these kinds of values, and you want to these are negative values. You want to convert all of these values into a positive one. So the first method is that you can manually write them, and this is not a good thing, and automation does not allow you to do this, and it is not a smart work. And because Excel's beauty is that you can do your work smartly and with less effort, and automation saves your time. So I can do this by simply selecting this with shift and down arrow. With shift and down arrow I selected all these cells from here to there, and I started editing that the cell equals to this cell multiply by -1. Then I will press from my keyboard Control Enter, hit the Control Enter button from my keyboard. Your trick has completely successful. So if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.